Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change video resolution, you can change its quality, you can change its orientation, you can change sound source, you can set up fixed frame rate, or you can just enable automatic frame rate. Here you can select fixed frame rate. You can enable this feature with lock screen to end, like when you lock your screen, recording will stop. You can show touch gestures and also show button taps. So in order to start recording, you tap on this button once. This kind of menu appears. From here you can also access these settings. You can also access a folder where recordings are saved. So to start recording, just tap on this red button and the recording immediately starts. So let's suppose you're recording something that you need to be recorded, and after you're done, just tap on this red button once and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, screenshots and screen recordings, and here it is. And from here okay, I have to switch to screen recordings. And from here you can this red button and recording immediately starts. So let's suppose you're recording something that you need to be recorded. And from here you can share, edit, favorite or delete this recording and some other things from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.